guys, I'm ABK Gamers and this video is about spoilers on barrels, smokers and blast furnace. Okay, let's start. And I have filled the double chest with non-stackable item and hopper going into barrel and hopper coming out. The two hoppers are locked so that nothing goes in and nothing comes out for now. Okay. If I unpower this hopper, the items will go inside the barrel. It looks like it behaves just like a single chest. Now if I power this and unpower this, we will get all the items from the barrel. It's a same slot as a single chest. And next you will see a smoker. I have kelp on top and coal on its back. If I unpower the kelp, it will go in. We'll just wait maybe. And also this also, the blast furnace also behaves like same. Both are like furnace. It also has the kelp and coal on its back. Okay. Yeah, it is same as furnace. Okay, let's lock it back. And we will do this and it starts melting. And I think it will hold XP like the furnace maybe. Okay, let's see. So it's melting and the smoker's graphics looks good. I like that. Smoke particle. Maybe the smoker will be like for foods and the blast furnace is for smelting ores like that. Maybe it could be. Okay, let's unpower the bottom hopper and we get the kelp. Who do I have thought? Okay. Once this thing is collecting down, we'll check the data. Okay, so recipe amount. So this also stores the XP on it. So both are melting at the same time. No difference on that. Maybe it's not added it. Okay guys, bye. Maybe we'll see on another video. Maybe soon. Okay guys, bye.